This one won't be hard to demonstrate. It's a pair of USB cables. You got USB-C to Lightning and USB-C to USB-C, and these go in the back for the back passengers. This will be pretty simple to show you. This one is the USB-C to USB-C 3.0 fast charge. Here's what the inputs and outputs look like. Now I did bring with me my iPad, so this is going to work because I have the Lightning for this. So plug it in here. Plug it in here. You know it's working when the green light on here is lit up. The next one is a USB-C to Lightning PD fast charge. And here's what that cable looks like. Obviously it will not fit into my iPad. This is not the Lightning one, but this will fit into my iPhone. So I'll plug this one in on the left-hand side, because I've got two of them. And when I do, I'm not sure you can tell, but it's green. And I'll plug that one into my phone. And it's charging up. Perfect. So there you go. You have the USB-C to Lightning on the right-hand side for the iPad and the USB-C to USB-C on the left-hand side for my cell phone. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Adios. If you end up buying a Tesla, which I hope you seriously consider, use my Tesla referral link to receive 1,000 miles of free supercharging on a Model S, Model X, or Model 3. There's a link below this video. It's free miles. Might as well take advantage of it.